Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the topic divorce by mutual consent and can a divorce by mutual consent be granted during this lockdown period. Mutual divorce defined under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act. Divorce by mutual consent or mutual divorce is a process in which both husband and wife mutually agree that they cannot live together anymore and that the best solution is getting a divorce without putting forth any allegation against each other. Requirement to be complied for mutual divorce are: first, the parties have been living separately for a period not less than 1 year. Second, the parties have failed for any reason to live together. Thirdly, the parties have freely consented to the agreement of dissolution of marriage. This is a main factor which court considers while granting a mutual divorce. Fourthly, the parties are at liberty to withdraw the petition. It seems that the petition may be withdrawn even at the instance of one party in course of 6 months from the date of presentation of the petition. Now, how to file for mutual consent divorce? First, there will be a filing of joint petition. Petition has to be signed by both parties and that they can no longer stay together and should be granted divorce. The statement also has agreement to split assets, custody of child, etc. Then the second procedure will be appearance of both parties in the court. There should be a physical appearance of both the parties in the court. Thirdly, there will be scrutiny of the petition by court. The court will scrutinize the documents and if satisfied, record the statement of parties on oath. After recording of statement and passing the order of first motion, under the first motion, the court will grant a 6-month period after which a next date will be provided to both the parties. Now this stage is not mandatory by the court. Then there will be appearing of second motion. After this period, there will be the decision of the court that will grant the divorce. Where to file the divorce case? The parties are required to file for divorce in the family court of the city where both the partners live together for the last time, their matrimonial home. It can even be presented in the court of the city place where the marriage was solemnized. It can even be presented by the respondent at the time of presentation the petition resides. Section 19 of Hindu Marriage Act prescribes the jurisdiction of court. Mutual divorce and lockdown. As the lockdown tends to continue, courts have started working online and mutual divorce under Section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act can be filed online by the lawyer if both the parties agree to file for divorce mutually without putting forth any allegation against each other. The physical appearance of both the parties can be done videographically and the rest of the procedure of the court continues. Thank you for watching the video.